when my father got Alzheimer's, I could see my mom and father's love story in a different perspective altogether, frankly. Because what she did for him, and I remember he forgot everyone. Everyone. But he forgot her name, but he didn't forget her. And when he was hospitalized at the end she was with him and वो बस नहाने आई थी. She was home and the nurses could see that, he's going over, like it's his time. And then they called my mother and my last में पिताजी को यहाँ पे like he couldn't swallow things. So my mom ran when they said that आप आ जाओ. So she बस नहाने आई थी तो she ran there and she could see, and then suddenly somebody gave Gangajal to her hand, and and she could feel him waiting for her, and he opened his mouth. जब वो swallow नहीं कर रहा है आदमी, and she put Gangajal in his mouth and he swallowed from her hands, and that he took his last after that, and he waited for her. मेमोरी गया है इस आदमी का, कैसे कह सकते बताओ. So I don't know.
I'm sorry. I'm just lost for words because
See.
it reminds me of her. But yeah, I guess that's the power of love.
That's the power of love. And what can I say? I could see that because of his Alzheimer's. What can I say now? But that man who had lost his memory did this. He swallowed, not only swallowed, he waited for her. और उसकी जान जो रुकना जान का जो था ना, वो मेरी मम्मी मुझे बताती है that he waited for her. And then that ending to that story. I'm sorry, Bhav.
So since you're talking about last moments,
Yeah.
and you've shared something so intimate with me,
Yes.
I want to share something very, very intimate with you.
Okay.
We had to intubate Lion at the end, and when we did that, I remember the last thing he did to me, because he couldn't talk. He had the mask on. He looked at me in my eyes, and he just did. And then they just gave him the injection, and he went to sleep. And I'll never forget the power of just these 3 steins. I'll never forget how it made me feel. And for your mom, that she will take with her.
Yes.
Till the very end.
Yes.
Because I know I will, and I know everybody will.
Don't give.
So yeah, I think it's love is. I had read a book that said only love is real.
Yes.
And I think that is what it is. Only love is real.
Yes.
That is real. That is all that matters. And strength comes from embracing these deepest moments of vulnerability.
Yes.
And like you said, I have allowed today the version that you see. I have allowed that. I've allowed myself to be vulnerable. You have allowed yourself to be vulnerable, to be fearful, and that is your strength, Amrita. And I want you to remember that. And I want to tell you this. You can call me at any time of the day or night. And we may not have been friends before this, who you could have called. But please know there's that one person you can have on speed dial for the rest of your life. And I will be there. I will be there. Even if you just need me to be there, sitting silently next to you, you have to know I will be there forever.
Thank you. I can feel that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that. I mean, I said it when we talked before also that there is some connect. And I think pain connects people.
Yeah.
It's a heavy price we pay, but I think pain connects people. I mean, it's not a coincidence that you're talking certain things which are touching me so deeply.
Yeah.
Because we are coming from the same place, Baba.
Yes. And because it is, below everything else, we all feel the same feelings. We all feel the same emotions. It's all the same.
And what you're saying now is very important for me, the way, the act words you're using for it. You have allowed that to happen. Like, I've seen many people, I mean, I understand pain is difficult, grief is difficult. But we could just go on blaming also, right?
Yeah.
There's that road is also there, blaming road. And then bitterness, we could go to that path. Like, why did this happen to me? Why did this happen to my father only? I was on that road also to start with. Why with my father? Why? So, but it's a decision, it's a choice that we leave that road and we come to this road.
Yeah.
Which is of allowing that vulnerability and allowing.
Yeah.
I feel scary, but that courage is worth everything, I would say.
Yeah, I think so. And I hope that two people being so vulnerable in front of the camera gives, I hope, and my intent is that it makes, even if it makes that one person feel strong and feel like these are the emotions even I'm feeling, but I will be fine. I will be fine. If this is what they feel, I think everything that we went through and are going through and will go through, because that's life, will be worth it. I think that's how I look at it.
Yes.
Because we will continue to fight. We will continue to sometimes win, sometimes lose.
Yeah.
But we will continue. Just to continue is what is important.